Allow install unknown apps. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on this three dot. Tap on special access. In here, go down and tap on install unknown apps. In this list, you have to enable this my files option. And now, for example, I want to download unknown apps or APK file using my Google Chrome browser. So just go ahead and enable the Google Chrome browser. After that, go to My Files app. Tap on Installation Files APK. Here you will find all of your available APK file. Now to install any of the APK file, just open it. Tap on Install. And then you will be able to easily install any unknown apps or APK file without having any issue. That's it.